Hello everyone, welcome to Slay the World Bombas Emergence. Now we at Fico Hotel for the wonderful and fabulous the pageant week of Sri Kandi X Little Sri Kandi 2026. Beside of me, we have the finalists from Johor, none other than Zira Ray. How are you, gorgeous?
Hi.
You look so stunning.
Thank you very
All
much.
right, so maybe you can share with us who do your makeup and who design your dress for today.
So for my makeup is Mua Alwi Hani. I will tag her IG later.
Yeah.
And my dress is from my favorite tailor back at home lah at JB.
Wow.
So the design actually I give her you can do whatever design you want. I just approve. Okay, for me because this one is my first look of today. And then interview I will change to another look.
Wow.
Mm.
That's a wonderful from you. Okay, so right now, maybe you can share with us a little bit. Maybe you can introduce a bit about yourself.
So, hello everybody who is watching Slay the World Media. I'm Zira, finalist Sri Kandi Malaysia 2026, representing my beautiful state Johor. So, my background in pageantry, I've been in pageantry before, few pageants since 2016.
Wow.
So, this is not my first time. And I take every pageant that I join as a way to improve my soft skill and also self confidence and always improving from other pageant to another.
Okay, wow, that's a wonderful from you, Zira. Okay, next question. Maybe you can share with us the objective why you choose Sri Kandi Malaysia after you go many of pageant before, right? So why you choose Sri Kandi Malaysia 2006 this time?
Because for me, Sri Kandi is the best platform for all those women who are very confident about themselves and of course want to make your family proud or maybe want to make yourself proud. And of course, Sri Kandi Malaysia, we encourage you guys to have like promote your culture. Yeah, for example, if you're from Johor like me, maybe you can promote your culture. Me myself, actually, I'm a Bugis girl. So this is the way how I want to produce myself. And I'm from Johor. I'm a Bugis girl and a minority in Malaysia actually. Okay. So for me, it's very good opportunity for you guys if you want to go out there, represent yourself, your state, and also be confident and be the best version of yourself.
Oh, that's a wonderful from you, Zira. All right, so next question. Okay, we go deeper because every single competition they have their own advocacy, right? So, what kind of advocacy that you bring to Sri Kandi Malaysia 2026?
A good question. Okay, for my advocacy for Sri Kandi is actually 3B. It's for brave, bold, and beautiful. For me, if you be beautiful, that means you are very confident about yourself. You are very brave to represent your true self, to represent your state. And of course, you be very bold and you can reach anything. You reach your goal and of course, be the best version of yourself.
I think you have such a strong advocacy that reflects of yourself. That's a wonderful, Zira. All right, so next question. If let's say you be the winner of Sri Kandi Malaysia 2006, so what kind of contribution that you would like to do for your society and also for this Sri Kandi Malaysia organization?
For me, I am the person who very have a strong. I want to say that for me, the most important thing for a girl like me and like you is reach our goal. Firstly, we have to be educated. So for me, if you want to become someone very powerful, the way you speak, you want to encourage people to go out there to prove to people. First of all, education. So for me, if I be a Sri Kandi, I want to encourage all young girls to pursue your study, get to the highest level, and be brave and be strong, be firm on what you want to do in your life. First, education, and then second, be who you are, and the third one, of course, be kind.
Wow, such a good advice from you. Education first, and then everything will come forward after it,
Yes,
right? That's wonderful. Oh my God, Zira, we have a lot of question to asking you, but we want to end this conversation with the last question. So maybe you can share with us who you would like to say thanks to everyone that supported you since you joined or entered Sri Kandi Malaysia 2026.
Okay, first and foremost, I would like to thank both of my parents who support me from day one. And then to my friends who always vote for me and share my posts and everything. And the last one, of course, my beloved, he know who is he is. And the last one, I would thank Sri Kandi Malaysia for giving me a platform to represent myself, to represent my state. And of course, thank you, Slay, for giving me chance to speak to you guys today.
Such a lovely gratitude from you, Zira. So hopefully you will present Johor and yourself very well in the Sri Kandi Malaysia 2006. And see you again and best of luck to you, Zira Ray. Bye bye.